how to add Wise on AdSense. Want to receive your AdSense earnings directly into Wise? Here's a step-by-step guide to set it up. So first and foremost, open your Wise account on the Wise application or on the Wise website. Now from here, go to the Your Card section. So click on this and that will take you into this section. So in here, simply select your digital card. And then from here, go ahead and select card details. And then from here, you'd be able to get your card information. Head over to Google AdSense into a new tab and then select payments at the left side of your screen. Select payments info and that will take you here. And then select add payments account. In this section, you need to choose bank transfer, SWIFT or IBAN. Enter your Wise account details exactly as shown on the website and then save the information. Google may send a small test deposit to your Wise account, so check your Wise balance and then enter the amount in AdSense to verify. Once confirmed, Wise becomes your default payout method.